Fit a new gasket to the intake manifold and insert. Use a mirror to insert the fastening bolts. And tighten in the sequence specified in the service literature. Insert and lock the fuel rail pressure sensor wiring harness plug. Install the bracket for the high pressure line. Unscrew the closure caps and screw the high pressure line hand tight to the common rail and the high pressure pump. Install the high pressure line on the bracket. From below and from above, tighten the nuts for the high pressure line as indicated in the service literature. Remove the cloth and apply the insulator for the common rail. Screw the fuel return pipe bracket onto the intake manifold. And install the fuel return pipe with a new clamp. Attach the bracket on the gear unit side. Insert the EGR pipe with new gaskets and screw it into place. Then attach the vacuum line. Apply and lock the charge air pipe onto the throttle body, then screw firmly in place. Connect and secure the 4 wiring harness plugs. Fasten the coolant hose. Connect and lock the wiring harness plug for the intake manifold and injection system wiring harness. Connect and lock the wiring harness plugs for the injectors. And fix the wiring harness in place. Screw the wiring trough onto the intake manifold. Then install the battery tray with the battery and clamp the battery into place.